Hey telehealth providers, have you been struggling with delivering quality patient education during your sessions? Do you ever find yourself working with a patient and wanting to draw a quick diagram or share your written notes with them in real time? Hi, I'm John with the Future PT, and today I'm going to show you how to elevate your patient education during a virtual session using the Whiteboard feature in Zoom and a tablet. Once you set up a second source, you can easily share notes and draw diagrams in real time. So first thing that we're going to do is just open up Zoom. I'm going to join a meeting on my iPad, and I'm going to just disconnect from my audio and video. And as I enter, I'm basically going to be now a second person inside the call. So I'm going to go up to screen share. A drop down is going to come down. I'm going to select Whiteboard. And now I have this workable space where I can start taking notes during my patient's objective. And I can also use this as a way to do some quick diagrams to visualize and help educate my patient in real time. And it's really easy to just switch your colors up. You can erase. It's just a really nice tool to enhance that patient experience and deliver that type of content that you want. So once you're comfortable working around the Whiteboard feature, you can start to really implement this into your sessions. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tip to be useful and you want to learn more about how to evolve your digital practice, check us out at thefuturept.com, and I'll see you in the future.